Here are different types of body scrub that you can make it at home according to your favorite to get smooth skin like this, and this. 1. Tropical Glow Body Scrub. Add sugar. Add fruit powder. Add tropical body wash. Then add coconut oil. Honey. Mix it. Your scrub is ready. Two. Strawberry Body Scrub. Add sugar. Coconut oil. Honey. Body wash. Strawberry oil. Mix it. And the scrub is ready. 3. Watermelon Body Scrub. Add sugar. Honey. Coconut oil. Olive oil. Body wash. Pink food coloring. Mix it. Strawberry body scrub is ready. 4. Coffee Body Scrub. Sugar. Ground coffee. Body wash. Honey. Add coconut oil. Mix it. Your coffee body scrub is ready. 5. Strawberry Body Scrub. Cane sugar. Freeze-dried strawberry. Body wash. Add coconut oil. Add vanilla bean paste. Any essential oil of your favorite. Mix it. And the scrub is ready to use. Use scrub twice a week to get glowing and smooth skin.